back to MRTV. I am Maria. This is
Dr. Cowboy.
Alrighty, so if this is your first time watching MRTV and
The doctor?
welcome, consider subscribing. Then hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time we upload a video. And after that, welcome. For our returning family members, thank you so much. We love you all. Boom. So today, guys, we have loaded baked potatoes. Yes, now, what's in them, you say? Well, let me tell you. We have, yeah, he doesn't know. So we just got the potato, and what I did was I sauteed some boneless chicken thighs, okay? Then I put them in the oven with some cream of chicken, let it cook, boom. What I did was just add that, cut it up, add it to the baked potato with some mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and some parsley, boom, boom, boom. And that's that. All right? What you think of that? You think you're going to like it?
I don't know until I eat it.
Okay.
I already know you got onions in it, though.
No, no onions. Woo-hoo-hoo!
I don't know what that is right there.
Okay, that's probably a piece of chicken.
Oh, okay.
All right, I said I put the chicken in there. All right.
Okay.
Okay, well, that's chicken and
Don't
cheese.
now with my food over yours.
Anyway, you guys, I have Everfresh fruit punch to drink.
Anyway, you guys, I have a nice cold water to drink. I've done all this before.
Yeah, this gonna be ready for when we say grace. Oh, okay. All right. Blessing.
Oh, I thought we had said it for a minute.
Would you like to say the blessing?
You do something.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this food we're about to receive in your Son Jesus' name. Amen.
Hold on, I want to say, oh.
You know what, they don't want to. And I forgot sour cream as well. Come on now. You gotta bake potato. You gotta have a sour cream to go with it. Let me take a couple sips. Y'all know I ain't gonna drink that.
Who do all this while on camera?
I'm not dealing with you. Let me get my prop down. Something wrong with this one right here. For real. Now, let me see.
I'm repeating London.
Oh, yes, Shelby's doing it. You just think they just hilarious.
Listen.
Look at that cheese. Ooh, ooh. Look at that cheese. Come on now. Get your piece. Get your piece of cheese. Here. Come on. I put salt and pepper in here. But it don't matter. He's going to add more anyway.
My plate be so far back all the time.
Push your plate back.
No, not even. What about the sour cream? You ain't saying none of that? Keep it to yourself?
Anyway, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day. It isn't as hot today as it was in the previous video because it's nicer today. Well, how close you want it to be?
I gotta get in their mouth.
Somebody gonna need to get in your inside your damn teeth. Keep it up. You asked me a question. They gonna need to go in the inside your teeth.
Not right now, Emma. I'm eating. And I'm very sore she got me doing a video.
Oh my God. Wow. Look at that.
But anything for my rain silence. What? Y'all like that?
Let me give you another bite.
You
Ooh,
want a
it's
bite from me?
falling.
Want a bite from me?
Well, they feed yours and feed my people. Ooh. This is awesome. Now, next time I have one of these, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to add much more stuff.
Wish I could have got some mushrooms.
Yeah, you do like your mushrooms. I'm going to make sure I have those on there the next time. Without a doubt.
Who's to say it'll be around the next time I eat it?
What? What did you say? You fed them enough.
Let them tell me I fed them enough.
They did. Ooh,
You know
I
what?
should have put some hot sauce up.
You don't want me to feed you. So don't be concerned and worried about me feeding others. Thank you.
You're not welcome. And I will be concerned.
Try to feed
And I'm
you.
never worried.
So try to feed you. You tell me no.
Don't be bringing up stuff for old videos. Okay, that's the past. So,
See, I just did that because you said that was the
you
past.
had me the salt and pepper.
Y'all heard it right then when I tried to feed her. Y'all see she didn't take it. But that's the past. And they told you on the last video.
He always telling. I know what they told me.
Why you ain't do it? She don't even listen, y'all. I'm talking about something she's gonna tell me it's the past.
So you just gonna use all the salt?
You don't
and
need no
cherry.
salt.
You said,
That's the past. I used that in the past.
Y'all know what? I'm not. I can't. See what I'm saying? You're responsible for what you let in.
And let out.
That's for sure. Woo. So you guys, we are in day 2 of Slaytember.
Day 2? Day 2?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is day 2.
Right here?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, that's what we are.
I didn't know.
You were in day 1.
Oh, I know it was in day 1.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Well, if it's everyday videos, then
Oh, I know
you're
that.
here today.
I know that because you told me you were going to do the video by yourself earlier, so I didn't know that this was day 2. My bad.
And that too is not the truth. What you got there dripping?
Don't worry about it.
I'm telling. Let me tell you something. I will thump them boys dead on the other side of the road. I swear to you.
I will touch my lips as if something belonging to you coming off of them.
Woo, not at dinner. Not right now. We at dinner. Yes, yes. Eating this because after this, which
I hope after this the doctor give me a little attention.
I sure wish the doctor be a little bit on the quiet side. We'll be doing Wednesday Night Jam Fest.
Oh, I forgot the day was Wednesday.
Well, it'll be yesterday when.
Oh.
But today is Wednesday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I hope everybody that supposed to work tonight at the Wednesday Night Jam Fest is present and on time. Okay? All positions should be there promptly at 8 p.m.
I'll be on time. I'll be there. Doctor.
I reckon we're going to have some good jams. Jam.
I'll be there in full uniform.
Oh, jam. Tatted.
I'll be there in full uniform. If you know what I mean. For all you newcomers, you're going to find out tonight. Ain't nothing like some good old ice water. Clean your system out. What size baked potato is this? Like an extra large? This baked potato was on steroids.
First of all, that's why we're only eating like, well, you know, I'm like eating half because I'm eating my other half tomorrow. I'm not playing.
Oh, I wish I'd known that.
Why?
I would have saved half.
Well, I knew you're not going to eat all that. You're going to not eat all that. Then we
But I
can add to it
I
tomorrow.
can't eat a leftover baked potato. I don't get down like that. The doctor don't play them games.
I don't know what the doctor going to eat then because I'm eating my leftover bacon.
you must be eating that for lunch.
Well, you know we don't even eat till like 2. If we don't eat breakfast, we don't eat till like 2. For lunch. Although you're supposed to eat breakfast. Just can't get to it all the
This
time.
is my first time eating that. And London told Shell, eats her mother, that you're supposed to eat 3 times a day.
3 times a day.
That's what she said.
There that chicken, y'all.
I'll never
There go that chicken with that gravy.
I'll never eat 3 times a day.
With that, well, not gravy. Cream of chicken.
Do you ever eat 3 times a day?
We have ate 3 times a day.
I haven't. No, I have not. Any of y'all out there eat 3 times a day?
When they say 3 times a day, they mean
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's what they mean. 3 times.
you need me to screw your neck back tight because it seems to be a little bit on the loose side. I need you to calm down. First of all, when they say 3 times, breakfast is supposed to be a light meal. Maybe some fruit, some toast with jam, or something very light. Okay, so just because some people choose to eat eggs, bacon, sausage, what have you, toast, all of that, and then you turn around and lunch is supposed to be, maybe a sandwich.
Now you tell me, what do I got to do with 3 times?
Because that is number 2. And number 3 is dinner. And dinner will be your heaviest meal of the day.
And that's still 3 times. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right?
But you always eating and snacking anyway, somebody in between.
I believe if you're busy throughout the day, trying to make money moves, trying to make people moves, trying to make business moves, you ain't got time to be eating. Because the time you sitting down eating, you could be collecting them coins.
While he's sitting down eating. Guess we ain't getting no coins right now.
Well, it's after this.
What time is it?
After hours.
Oh, it's after hours.
I've been up since 7 o'clock getting mine.
Mukbang and things, y'all. Check her out. Link will be in the description box.
I normally have it on my pair, but I ain't got it today.
Along
Sorry
with,
about that mucky.
To the bang.
I call her mucky.
I said to the bang.
Okay, well you don't say it after me.
I can say what I want to say now. Come on. I'm not about to do it. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Let's see. This here is the good part right here. This right here, that's the best part of the potato right there. And it's the most good for you.
How many of y'all eat the skin? The doctor don't eat the skin of the potato. No, not the doctor. I like what's in the inside, not what's on the outside.
Your inside is going to be outside. Keep it out.
I'm talking telling you.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
I'm asking him a
They're
question.
going to know the length of your intestines. I'm telling you now.
You know the length of them?
I'll find out. Lick your lip like that again. I swear to goodness.
Y'all want y'all to pay attention. Because you see how she did that? And the doctor didn't get mad. But on the other video, when the doctor tried to feed her, you know what I'm saying? She got mad.
Why do you keep talking about the past?
You know what I'm saying? I don't know what you trying to hurt these lips for, because you know you don't need them. Last bite, y'all.
I know.
Here you go.
Mm-mm.
Open up. Let me turn that around. There you go. Wait a minute. Okay, gotcha. Yeah.
How long you gonna hold it?
They told me to wait a minute. They said hold up. They was putting some stuff on it. They needed more salt. They needed some sour cream. They needed some pepper.
You're going to need some blood. Can anybody donate
I'm
for the
type.
doctor?
I'm type A1. I'm very rare.
You know what? It's time to go.
Don't tell the doctor.
It's time to go. Mm-mm. Nope. Well,
Look at y'all. Look at the doctor's potato.
I ate it. I ate it. That's a whole lot of potatoes. I ate it. I ate it. I ate it.
And it ain't a whole lot of potato because I don't eat skin. Now, and stay on your side of the plate where you got all
Don't
of
tell me
yours.
where to stay. First of all, that's a whole lot of potatoes.
No, it's not.
That's a whole lot of potatoes. You can eat another meal off that
No,
potato.
you not this potato.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Hmm.
I guarantee you
Well,
can.
well,
Without the skin.
maybe I can't even say what I was
Yeah,
about to
you-
say
thank you.
because
Thank
I say, you know, I might be crossing the line. So.
Thank you. Okay. That's it.
I'm sorry. I had a piece of meat left, y'all. I would share it with y'all, but I don't want MR to get furious again. Like the last time.
Which was the past?
She sent me to bed. When I woke up, when I went to sleep, she wasn't in the bed. When I woke up, she wasn't in the bed. I don't even know if she slept in the bed.
Y'all, it's time to go.
Now, Sarah, I know you got my back out there. Sarah,
I'm going to take my last sip because I can't. I gotta get ready for jam fest.
You can't
Gotta
say
get ready
that.
for jam fest. Oh, and then I do have on my Jill's comfort zone, Jill's comfort zone, Jill's comfort zone. Look, y'all, her shirts are really nice. I'm not even playing. And they just compliment Mukbang and Things earrings to the T, y'all. Support, support, support. But, you hear that? Got the little plastic, they got the, what you call plastic, yeah. Yeah. You know what?
And I got on my escape to be more shirt.
Don't bring it up.
Escape to Baltimore shirt.
You know what, y'all? Y'all have a, like always, it's time for me to tell y'all to have a blessed day.